As the country is into Lok Sabha elections, the Haryana government is in crisis. The BJP government in Haryana seems to have lost its majority. The opposition parties are demanding president rule in Haryana. Hello, this is Amina and welcome to Mood Tiranga. This political crisis in Haryana has come after 3 independent MLAs withdrew their support to the BJP government and extended their support to the Congress party. The BJP is left now with 40 MLAs of its own. The total strength of the house is 90. According to the Hindu, BJP has 40 MLAs and support of 3 other MLAs. On the other hand, the opposition has total of 45 MLAs, where 30 MLAs are of Congress, 10 MLAs of JJP, 4 independent MLAs and 1 MLA of INLD. Now, technically, BJP in Haryana has support of 43 MLAs and the opposition has 45 MLAs. This crisis has come for the BJP after independent MLAs Sombir Sangwan, Randhir Singh Golen and Dharampal Gondar withdrew their support to the BJP. This decision was announced by these 3 independent MLAs in presence of leader of opposition Bhupinder Singh Hooda and State Congress Chief Uday Bhan. The justification which the 3 MLAs have given for this shift is that there are various issues including those of farmers, inflation and unemployment. They said that unemployment is at peak and inflation and farmer issues persist and every section of society is fed up. Earlier, BJP had support of 10 JJP MLAs, but few months back, it had also withdrawn support. And now 3 independent MLAs have left BJP's side. These MLAs said that they had opposed the BJP government during the farmers' agitation. These MLAs said that they will now support the Congress to help it win all 10 Lok Sabha seats in Haryana. They are now requesting the governor that the BJP government should be dismissed immediately. However, the Haryana State Assembly Speaker Gyan Chand Gupta said that he had not received any official information so far. Meanwhile, former Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said that they are in touch with others, be it from Congress Party or JJP. Congress Party is now demanding President's rule in Haryana and fresh elections. The opposition will now write to the governor regarding the same. JJP party leader has said that if leader of opposition Bhupinder Singh Hooda takes steps to bring down the Nayab Saini-led BJP government in Haryana, the JJP would support the Congress party in Haryana. Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the latest updates on elections. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.